There are many ways to turn a small amount of money into a large sum, but it's important to remember that there are always risks involved. This is not financial advice. As always, I want you to do your own research. Welcome to Rich Liberation, where we help you turn your dreams into your reality. And in today's video, we're going to dive deep into the fastest way to turn $1,000 into $1 million. Now, while there's no surefire way to turn 1,000 into 1 million, here are some amazing strategies that have worked for others in the past. Number 1. Starting your own business. Starting a business is one of the most popular ways to turn a small amount of money into a large sum. It's important to have a solid business plan and to do your research to make sure there's a market for your product or service. With hard work and dedication, your business could grow into a multi-million-dollar enterprise. Number 2, invest in stocks. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your money over time. It's important to do your own research and invest in companies that you believe in. While there are no guarantees, historically the stock market has provided strong returns over a long term. Number 3 is real estate. Real estate investing can be another way to turn $1,000 into $1 million or more. Investing in cash flowing rental properties can provide a steady stream of income over time, and property values can appreciate over the long term. Number 4 is cryptocurrency. While it's a relatively new investment, cryptocurrency has shown impressive growth in recent years. It's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is volatile and there are no guarantees, but some investors have seen significant returns in their investment. Number 5, invest in yourself. One of the best ways to turn $1,000 into $1 million is to invest in your self-education. This might mean going back to school to learn a new skill or starting a side hustle to earn extra income. By investing in yourself and your future, you can create opportunities for growth and financial success. And of course, it's at this point in the video that if you like making money while you sleep, I would strongly advise you to smash that like button, subscribe to Rich Liberation, hit that bell notification so that you never miss an upcoming video, and of course, share this video with other entrepreneurs that you care about, and comment down below. Let us know how you're going to make your first 1 million or more. In conclusion, there are many ways to turn a small amount of money into a large sum, but it's important to remember that there are always risks involved. By doing your research and investing wisely, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your financial goals. Of course, here at Rich Liberation, we want to be part of that journey. We want to be the ones that help you turn your dreams into your reality. Until next time, my friend, stay rich, stay liberated.